Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Amit, and if you don't already know, I got not one but two hair transplants done from Istanbul, Turkey. I used to be completely bald, and now I pretty much have all my hair back on my head. If you've been following the channel very closely, you know that I post both my journeys every month-to-month update, so you can actually see how that hair grows from basically not having any hair to having a full head of hair. And of course, if you're watching this video, you already know that you're probably going through the same thing, and you definitely are looking for a lot more help when it comes to getting your hair back, and hopefully this channel is the right channel for you. So this video is more about giving you guys updates of what's been going on. I haven't been posting on this channel for about 2 months now. I've just been so busy, and I thought it's only fair to give you guys that update on what's happening in my life, so you guys know at least what to expect in the future videos, and as well what's happening in my life if you're genuinely interested. For those who have been following along and checked out my Instagram, you know that I am working really hard on products to help you guys regrow your hair back. One of my main products are finally launching next month, and I'm really excited about it. It is my very own Minoxidil product. It is built from the ground up. It has the 5% Minoxidil ingredients in it, including additional ingredients that help with hair growth. For example, you have biotin inside, you've got collagen inside, you've got some DHT extracts that are inside of this formula already, and it just works all around. Now, obviously, you want to block as much DHT on your head as possible, so I've added ingredients within this Minoxidil foam that helps add an extra layer of DHT blocking on your head. So not only are you growing your hair, you're also saving it at the same time. I'm super excited about it. I've been working on this product for the past year. I've been talking about this for so long on this channel, and I'm really excited for it to finally come out to reach you guys. I've set up a waitlist page on the website. I've also revamped my entire website. Please check it out. I really appreciate your support. As soon as you join the waitlist, you will be added, and you'll be one of the first people to get all the updates about the product. So yeah, I mean, again, I've also been working behind the scenes on the app, which is very close to being finished. I'm really excited to just help people get good reminders on how and when they need to start taking their aftercare, because I found that a lot of people struggle in that. So that app is almost done, and it will be released hopefully soon, as soon as the Minoxidil product is out. Like I said, I'm so proud of my Postgrafts Minoxidil. You can see it here. Yeah, I'm just super happy about it. Like, it's been a long time coming. Taken 2 years for me to finally get this product out to market. I've had a bunch of people testing it and using it. I've waited patiently for 6 months and just made sure everything is safe to use, and it's actually providing real results. And truthfully, I've also switched over to just use this Minoxidil now, and I'm completely happy with it. I have no issues. I've seen my hair still continue to grow, and I'm just really happy that it's finally ready, and I'm happy to share it to the world. So what is actually coming up for me as well, just besides really working effortlessly on my business, I'm also preparing a lot more new content. I had a little bit of a content block a couple of months ago. It's just I was posting every single day on Instagram and TikTok, and obviously in YouTube I gave myself every week to try to post something, but it just got a lot. It just got too much. There's also not so much of hair content I can keep posting out that doesn't seem repetitive. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll be able to provide new fresh content for you guys, because at the end of the day, I've only gotten into all of this to help people, and that is my main goal. It's always been my main goal. I'm pretty much going to focus right back into that and continue helping people. So hopefully you guys are still sticking around and watching my content and enjoying it as well. I've gone through so much myself. I'm also going to try to experiment on using different products for my hair, as well as giving you guys the best tips out there. So as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because that's what will help this channel grow, as well as helping you out there to get the best possible service and tips that you need for your hair to grow as well. Also, if you guys don't already know, I have a couple of guides that are free on the website right now that'll help you prepare for a hair transplant. If you haven't already, check that out. There are also a couple of paid guides there. Definitely check those out as well. My goal is to just create the best possible space for people who have had hair loss or are going through a hair transplant. So hopefully that resonates with you guys as well. And finally, my consultations are still back and open. I was away for a couple of weeks. I was traveling all around Europe for a little bit because I just needed that break. I went and checked out Spain. I went and checked out Switzerland. It was quite an experience, and I'm very happy with that. But I'm back now, and I'm here to help you guys get your hair back as well. The amount of confidence that it has brought me is like no other. I've never been able to walk out of my house not worrying about how my hair is looking or how the wind is pushing my hair away. It was so difficult for me to do all of that in the past. But now, while I'm on holiday, while I'm just going out and meeting friends, I don't have a care in the world, because the hair that's been brought back for me has boosted my confidence so much more. And that's where I want to help you as well. As you know, I do have a one-on-one hair transplant consultation service that you could have a conversation with me, and we can help build out a plan to help you get your hair back. I'll recommend you what doctors to see, what clinics to go to, or even what products to use to get the best possible result for yourself and your confidence back. So be sure to book some time with me. There's a link in the description below. Check it out, and hopefully we'll be able to have that conversation together. All right, I think that's it for today. I just wanted to give you guys a small update about what's going on in my life. It's actually my birthday today, so if you stuck around long enough, wish me happy birthday in the comments. Would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm excited to see what's to come. I'm excited to get my business off the ground and help you guys as well, and excited to see your results of how you can get the best hair possible and build your confidence. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Peace.